Tired of wasting precious time on repetitive tasks between your favorite apps? Let's jump right into Zapier, the ultimate tool for automating your workflows and boosting your productivity. First, head over to Zapier.com and sign up for a free account. Once you're in, you'll see your dashboard. The heart of Zapier is the Zap, an automated workflow connecting two or more apps. Click on Create Zap to begin. Now, it's time to choose your trigger app. This is the app that starts your automation. For example, let's say you want to automatically save new Gmail attachments to Google Drive. Select Gmail as your trigger. Next, choose a trigger event. In this case, we want the Zap to start when a new attachment arrives in Gmail. So we'll choose New Attachment. Connect your Gmail account to Zapier when prompted. Alright, now let's set up the action. What happens after the trigger? Search for and select Google Drive. And for the action event, choose Upload File. This tells Zapier you want to upload the Gmail attachment to Google Drive. Connect your Google Drive account. Now for the magic: mapping the data. Zapier will ask you where you want to save the file in Google Drive and which field contains the attachment. Select the appropriate folder in Google Drive and select the attachment field from the Gmail trigger to tell Zapier which file to upload. Test your Zap to make sure everything's working correctly. Once tested, turn your Zap on. That's it. Now, every time you receive a new email with an attachment in Gmail, it will automatically be saved to your Google Drive. Explore the endless possibilities with Zapier. Connect your favorite apps and reclaim your time. Happy automating.